Welcome back to Built for Operators. This week we've got our new desktop recorder. You can find that in settings. You can scroll all the way at the bottom and you'll see Aurasell desktop. It's available for Mac or Windows and it allows you to capture conversations from Zoom, from Google and from Microsoft Teams. Or if you've got pure audio on your desktop, you can capture that. To get started, you simply go to the download file, double click, drag the Aurasell application to your apps, and in a few seconds it's available in your applications. I can then run it. And what it's going to do is it's going to sync with my Aurasell tenant. It's going to pull back all my meetings, any existing recordings that are there, and it's going to synchronize it. So you can see here's some recordings that I did earlier today. We've got some meetings. I can automatically enable the desktop recorder to join all my meetings. That's a preference. Or I can do ad hoc recordings. So if I want to do something now like click record, I could just click record audio. This is for the deal empirical security. The deal is now closed. Please close. So sample audio there. It's going to upload that recording to the Aurasell tenant. It's then going to process it and transcribe it as signals. So we're going to use these recordings as signals that we can apply to our accounts and our opportunities to enrich it to give us more visibility. So now it's done. I can double click. I can play back. This is for the deal empirical security. The deal is now closed. Please close. All I do is I associate with the account, empirical security, and that's it. I've used the desktop recorder to record signals, upload it, and enrich it. That's desktop recorder built for operators.